so they can. So welcome again to the marketing management class. I think this is our fourth class, and so far we have discussed following topics, that is marketing fundamentals and marketing mix and marketing environment. These are the three topics we discussed. And in marketing fundamentals, we learned about what is marketing and what is marketing management. So marketing management is differs from marketing, and the marketing definition is given from American Marketing Association. So it is all about delivering a customer value by targeting, by growing the customer base. So this is what the fundamental of marketing. And in marketing mix, we discussed four different marketing mix, that is four P's we generally call it: product, price, place, promotion. Can anyone tell what is product? We can unmute and tell what is product.
Sir,
Yes, Agilan, yes.
goods and service combined together in the company, sir.
Yes, nice, Agilan. Okay, anyone else want to give a try on product?
It gives some usage, sir.
Yes, okay. So product is something related with goods and services that gives usage to people or customers. So that is we call as a product. And then the second what we have is price. What is price? Can anyone recollect it apart from Franklin and Agilan? Vinith, can you answer what is price? Vinith, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vinith. Vinith, what is price?
It's the cost of the product, sir.
Yes, nice, Vinith. Thank you so much. Okay, then we have place. So Karan, can you hear me? Okay, I think it's not there. Kartikeyan. So we have two Kartikeyan. Kartikeyan V. Can you tell what is place here? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible, sir.
Okay, so why are these people mum? I don't know. Okay, so place is places where this product is sold or something promoted with certain price. So places where it is displayed or where it is promoted to people. So finally, promotion. Monica, can you tell me what is promotion? Monica, are you there? Okay, so promotion is where we promote our product based on the place and all the different elements related with the product. So a gentle reminder, whenever I ask a question, you just respond. Okay, it will be a little odd because I'm sitting alone, you are also alone at home listening to the class. So to make it comfortable, let's have an interactive session. Okay, so those who did not answer your questions, next time if you repeat it, I will not give you attendance. And so this is what we have to recollect. So marketing mix, the first thing is product, as Agilan and Franklin told, goods and services that are offered in a market. So that is what product. And second thing is price. Price is very important thing because without price you cannot sell a product. So price is the amount of money customer must pay to obtain the product. That is what we've been told. The cost of the product. And Yes, we asked this question to a couple of people. Place. Place is where the company activities belong to promote the product or uh, sell the product. And finally, the promotions. What is promotions? We discussed very deeply on this. Promotion is something related with making people to buy. We take a look at example of a TV advertisement, newspaper advertisements. It is all about promoting a particular product. And we also learned about marketing environment. So in marketing environment, we discussed about two different topics, that is a micro and a macro. So micro we already saw, that is customers, public suppliers, marketing intermediaries and competitors. And today we are going to look at the second part of this marketing environment, that is called macro environment. Okay. I just displayed a pic. What do you get when you see this picture? What you get? Is there any idea that pops in your mind?
It is a politician, sir.
Okay, yes, politician. So in marketing environment, when we take specifically macro environment, macro means big, micro means small. So everyone will know it. So what are the biggest or what is the macro level impact factor in the marketing or any product promotion will be is political reason. So that is why we have it as a first factor. The political factors are considered to be macro environment. Why? Because we see many products that are banned by political decisions. Do you know plastics are banned by whom in our state?
Government.
Yes, government banned the usage of plastic in our state. So all those who had a plastic product, they cannot sell it. If they promote certain product using a plastic, so there is specific plastic ban. For example, if the product is not recyclable, if the product is not for from a very good polyester, it is not used. It is not advised to use in our state. So political decisions plays a vital role. If they bring some decision on banning on certain product, we cannot sell it or we cannot promote it. So marketing environment really influenced by political decisions. We all know about this Patanjali Corona kit, right? They were fined some huge amount. I hope everyone reads newspaper and sees something on the news regarding
Yes,
this
sir.
Corona kit. So political decisions are very important. Take the example. What is the flight we recently bought from France?
Rafael, sir.
Yes, Rafael. We recently bought Rafael from France. And
France.
yesterday, yes, from yesterday we banned also 101 army import goods that includes assault rifles, tanks, helicopters, all those things they asked to ban. There is no import of any armed related products from India. So political decisions are very important in marketing. They play a very, very vital role. And second thing, what is this picture tells you?
Jallikattu, sir.
Okay,
Bull.
I bull. Okay, bull Jallikattu. Yes, bullfight Jallikattu. Yes. Oh, what it actually comes and tells you? What Jallikattu conveys
It is
to
a
ourselves?
corporate process, sir.
No, what is Jallikattu actually?
Jallikattu means அதை அடக்கணும் சார் அந்த காளைய.
அந்த காலை அடக்கணும். So we call it as a I think Ajit is sharing the screen. Ajit, you are already late to the class and do not disturb it. Okay, please, Ajit, can you unpresent your screen? For time being, I'll remove you. You come again and join. Okay. So Jallikattu is a kind of our culture, right? We all
Yes,
protested
sir.
for this thing to preserve as our culture. So culture is very, very, very important in marketing. You cannot play around with culture. So second important factor in macro environment is culture. You have to understand the culture very well. Everyone sees Baiju application, right? Anyone never seen it? Everyone sees a Baiju application. In Baiju application, you if you are free, if you have free time, you just watch it. Okay, you can see the advertisement in Tamil. You can see the advertisement in Malayalam. You can see the advertisement in Hindi. You can also see the advertisement in English. So what they are giving specific here is the cultural importance. So the culture has different language, food habits, so there are different cultural values we all possess. So the culture is very important. You cannot harm a particular culture. There is a speculation around Nagendra Singh Dhoni. He was posted as a Ram in a certain advertisement for a two-wheeler vehicle. There are so many people came for a protest that they vandalized the god or they insulted the faith of some particular people. So this is what we have to adopt. So because very important thing is in marketing is adopting to the culture. Without a culture we cannot impact the people because we have more value for our culture. Tamilan, Kannadan, Malayalam, all these issues are coming up. Okay, so next thing, what is this?
Goods, sir.
Any Okay, only Agilan and Franklin is trying to communicate. I wish everyone makes interactive. Okay, so yes, thank
Goods.
you. Yes, thank you, Santosh. Yes, good. It is a train. Okay, let's take it as a train. In how many of you traveled in train? Just quickly put a yes. If you have traveled in train, put me yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay, Abhi. Abhi, from next class onwards, please come on time. Okay, today you are 5 minutes late.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Abhi. Yes, majority of you traveled in train. Okay. So when you travel in train, what are the things you will remember? When you go enter into the compartment of which is allocated for you, what are the things comes in your mind?
ஏதோ ஸ்பெஷலா ஃபீல்
Yeah.
பண்ணுவோம் சார்.
We feel something special. Okay, when
எஸ்
you
சார்.
travel in train, there are different, yes, nature, yes, fine, yes, exactly. When you travel in train, there will be so many people from different age group. For example, in your compartment there will be a person from senior citizen, maybe 60 plus. Maybe there will be a youngster 25 years old, maybe very young child with his parent. So there will be different yes, Karthik tells sound, yes. So there will be different kind of people we can see that we can consider to be as a demographic. So demographic is nothing but that relates with your personal idea. For example, if you take Valan as a demographic, you can tell us Valan is a male. He is age 26. He is taking marketing as a subject. He works as a professor. He likes to travel. He likes to watch movies. So these are the details about a person. So demographic idea also very much important because this idea gives you whom you can target. For example, I run a restaurant. Okay, whom I will be focusing on? Whom I will be focusing on? Maybe I will be focusing on family people who who are staying away from their own parents, or I'll focus on youngsters who are studying at college. So my demography differs when I take a restaurant. So there will be different kind of people. There will be family, there will be bachelors, there will be people from different area, there will be travelers who just come and eat and go. So demographic is a very important feature. So demographic is nothing but a personal identity or a group of people's identity. That is what called as a demographic, which means their gender, their age, their detailed information is considered to be demographic. Any doubt in demographic?
No, sir.
Okay. So in the next thing, what is this?
Coin.
Coin.
Okay, coin, money. Yes, money.
Money, sir.
What money implies in management?
Bitcoin.
When we talk about money, what we will think? We all have finance minister. We all have, yes, coin.
All money,
What
sir.
else? Let's make it as a broader perspective. This currency denotes 5 rupees. Okay, it
Not
values five
Bitcoin.
rupees in India. If it goes outside, okay, it is not Bitcoin. Okay, the currency is considered to be economy, right? The money we call it as to be economy. So economic factor also very important. So we call it in a singular form, we call it as an economy. So in a broader perspective, economic factors we call it. So economic factors has multiple impact. Let's take an example of a single family. If a father is earning 2 lakhs rupees per month, can they afford a luxury car which cost 1 lakh rupee? If a father is earning 2 lakh rupee, can he buy 1 lakh rupee car in a month?
Yes, sir.
Yes, he can buy, right? If a father is earning only 50,000 in a day, okay? Can he, sorry, in a month he earns only 50,000. Can he buy 1 lakh rupees car? Yes, no.
No, sir.
So, economy of the people is very, very important. If India is a rich country, you can sell rich products. If India is a poor country, you can sell only minimum products because economy of the people will be very low. So there will be different category of products we see. For example, how many of you have super bikes with you? Anyone having super bike like Duke, R15, Royal Enfield? Royal Enfield cannot be a super bike, but still, anyone having it? Himalaya,
Himalayas.
yes. Santosh, you are having Himalaya. Okay. What is the cost of the bike, Santosh?
I don't know, sir, but I like this
Okay,
bike.
okay, fine. So let's put it as a 1 lakh rupee. Okay. The same 1 lakh
Okay,
rupee,
sir.
we can buy two different Splendor, right? Splendor comes around 60 or 50,000 rupees. So,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
so those who want to economic factors will go for Splendor. Those who don't bother about the economic factor, they go for Himalaya or Royal Enfield Himalaya. So, economy is very, very important because without knowing the understanding behind this economic factor of the people, we cannot sell the product. We will be simply wasting our time. You have to know, can people afford to buy this product? That is what we saw in the marketing mix. If you seen the document clearly, affordable to buy the product is price. The price is very important. So economic factor, we cannot omit it. And what is this?
Nature.
Oh,
Nature.
okay, good, nice. So there was some protest, right, during last year in Tamil Nadu. What was the protest all about? There was some gun shoot, people were shot dead.
Sterlite.
Sterlite. Okay, nice. And there is again there is some recent protest going on in district called Salem. What is the protest for?
Sir, water problem.
No, not a water problem. They are planning to
Vettori
construct,
Salai.
yes, 8-lane highway. So, are they bad to the society? These products like Sterlite manufactures copper, and we are planning to put up a 8 lane highways in a city where it connects to the capital. Are they bad to the society?
No, sir.
No, we cannot tell it is bad to the society. But why people are protesting for it? It should not happen. It should come. It should be not to be done. It should be dropped. Why they are protesting it?
For save the nature, sir.
Yes. So the final aspect of the macro environment is natural factors, because the earth we live is very precise structure. All the materials, all the minerals, all the natural resources we have here is very scarce product. What you mean by scarce is very limited. If you have a bore in your home at 200 feet, if you pull 100-liter water every day, okay, in 10 years, the water level will go down. In 20 years, the water will go down. So natural factor is very important. If you hurt natural factor, there will be problem. There will be issues. There are many products regarding this. The natural impact on a product is very crucial. Why? Because we have scarce resource. If we have splendid, yes, we can use it. For example, when you take up a windmill, is there any problem for windmill? No, right? Yes, still for windmill, we are placing it in agriculture field. There is some issues are there. But windmill doesn't hurt you much like a nuclear plant. If nuclear plant burst, there will be million people will be dying. But but the less and lesser damage could be done from windmill. Same thing. If we reverse osmosis the salt water, that is sea water, into drinkable water, it is fine. But if we put a bore and suck all the water from the land, it will impact the nature. So we have one more macro factor. Can you guess what is all this?
Group discussion, sir.
No, it is not group discussion. See, what are things you are seeing in this picture? I see charger, power bank,
Computer,
Laptop.
laptop, okay, headphones, phone,
Phones.
mobile,
Pickup, sir.
speak up. Okay, what is all this? This mobile phone, laptop, charger. What all these things denotes?
Electronical things.
Electronical things. What it helps us to do?
Internet, sir.
Yes, yes. Someone told me. So someone told the answer. Can you repeat it? Okay. Who is that? Karthikeyan.
Color.
Karthikeyan. Nice, Karthikeyan. Yes. Technological factors. See, last semester you and I were learning from classrooms, right? But today, what we are using mobile phones to learn. So technology is very crucial in today's marketing world. We say there are different endeavor has come up in marketing in terms of technology. For example, anyone thought of mobile shopping before Amazon came in? No, right? Nobody knows.
no, sir.
Everybody only know go to shop, buy the product. But Jeff, who founded the Amazon, he pioneered the technology, and today we got so many e-commerce applications in our home. Did anyone thought we'll be sending rocket to Mars? No, right? Nobody thought,
No,
but
sir.
ISRO did it. So technology is very crucial macro factor, because technology helps people to discover new products very easily. If I ask you to search for any information today, you can get the information within 1 or 2 minutes. So technology plays a very vital role in marketing. Yes, there are different technologies implemented. For example, when you go to abroad, there are virtual reality displays. So in the displays you can feel the dress what you are going to buy. I'll be posting those videos in the in the WhatsApp group. You can watch it little later. So Those technologies will change the marketing perspective. You need not to have a big mall to display your products, just a machine that will give you all the idea. There are different tools, there are different technologies that are adopted in marketing. For example, machine learning. Nowadays, machines are thinking like this. Let's take uh, one volunteer from here. Okay, Abhi.
Yes, sir.
Abhi. Okay, Abhi. Abhi, what is your favorite movie, Abhi?
Favorite movie is Biggle, sir.
Okay, Beagle. Okay, fine. How many times you watched it, Abhi?
Around 5 times, sir.
Nice, Abhi. Yes. So Abhi watched the movie 5 times. So now we are having a human interaction. But if Abhi watches this in a computer or in a particular platform, take example of Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, the record will record it. Abhi watched Bigil movie 5 times. That shows Abhi is a big fan of Atli, Vijay, or Nayantara. The three possibilities are there. If Abhi watches Kerry movie, we can again see Abhi is fan of Atli and Vijay. If Abhi watches another Vijay movie, takes example, any movie Abhi Vijay movie,
Nanban.
Nanban, yes, fine. So the machine will definitely next time Abhi comes, the machine will tell Abhi, these are the movies I have for Vijay. You can just watch. What learned? The machine learned to give you. So marketers has to understand what the human are thinking behind the screen. You cannot knock the door and ask Abhi, which movie you watched? You like Vijay? How many Abhi we can ask? Very minimum, right? Maybe 10, maybe 100, but we have million people, billion people. So technology in marketing nowadays very huge. There are different tools every day comes up. So all these are very important in marketing. So in marketing environment, we have six major marketing macro environments. The first is political because they can define who you are and what you are. And the cultural, we have very strong cultural basic. Whether you are Indian, whether you are a Chinese, whether you are American, whether you are a English, you can have different cultural perspective. The same thing with demographic. We have got different demographic. India is known as the youngest country among the world. So what youngsters will like, that is how the marketers will think. They will come up with all the products that youngsters likes. And the economy. So India is again the major growing economy. We are the fifth. I'm not sure if I am wrong. Sorry, India is the fifth major economy in the world. So economy also very good factor in marketing. These are very huge. If America suffers some economic crisis, India also will suffer. So we have to adjust the market accordingly and we have to sell. And natural, because these resources are very scarce, we cannot destroy this natural elements. So we have to consider the natural impact importance. And technology, we discussed technology is kind of a right and left hand right nowadays. We have to carry the mobile class. Yes, go. This is what the technology have changed our life. So this session ends here. Any doubt we can just ask and we can discuss on the doubts. Any doubts on the topics which we discussed?
No, sir.
Okay. Apart from Abhi, anyone else? Hello? Are you all clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, can anyone just volunteer and tell what are the things we discussed today? Anyone? I can revise you at the end if possible. Anyone? Or should I pick? Okay, so Abhi, yes, tell me, Abhi, you're talking. Okay, so we will just recap all the points once again. Today we discussed about what is macro environment. I will share my screen. Today we discussed about macro environment, that is political, cultural, demographic, economic, natural and technology. So technology is very crucial in marketing. We discussed VR, AI, all those technology impact in marketing, and the natural scarce limit we have. So we cannot omit natural from doing our marketing activities. And economic factor, yes, if the country is rich, you can do a very rich marketing campaigns, you can implement rich products. But if a country is having a poor economic background, you have to rethink on your product. And demographic, we see different kind of people, different group of people, so according to them we have to place our product. And the cultural, the culture is very important because we give more value to cultural elements. And political, yes, politicians can influence with the supremacy they have in our country. So we also saw about micro environment, customers, public, suppliers, marketing intermediaries and competitors. This was discussed in a previous class. So marketing environment is a detailed answer that is mandatorily you have to study for your exam. So it is a very easy topic in first unit. If you learn four pieces of marketing and a marketing environment, you can attend one detail and at least of 2 or 3 2 marks. Okay, so that's all for the day. I am sharing the feedback for the session. Make sure you participate in the feedback. 25 people are present today's session, so I expect 25 feedbacks. You mention your register number exactly, so that is how I will be marking your attendance. So thank you guys. We will meet tomorrow, and tomorrow we will be discussing a very important topic that will be very interesting topic. So see you tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.